After the job is created, we can start working on it. The assigned technician will receive a notification in the app and can manage the whole process from their mobile phone. Instructions on how to work with the mobile app can be found in a separate video. In this one, we will show you how to organize the process from the web version, which may be more useful for managers, admins, and sales representatives. You can change the status of the job to In Progress now and open it to check the details. Or you can change the status to On the Way to inform the client with a notification that we will arrive soon. We can add notifications in Settings, Notifications, connected to any status. On the right side of the job, you can attach files such as PDFs, add photos from your clients, or create tasks for each other. Now, let's add services and products. Double-click on an order. First way, we can add a service manually. Click on Add Service, provide the name, price, cost, discount if needed, warranty, quantity, and we can also save it automatically to the service list for the future use. Click on Save. We can also add a service from the service list. Click on the value list, find the service, for example by name or barcode, and click on it. To add your own services, your own price list, go to My Company Services. Here we can edit, delete, or import our own categories and services. We've added services, now let's add products. Again, there are two ways. We can add them manually, click on Add Product, provide name, price, cost, and save. We can also add products from inventory. To be able to do that, we need to add our stock levels. On inventory page, you see your warehouses with products. To add them, you need to use postings. More information how to add products and warehouses you will find in our data center or in a separate video that will be available soon. After we've added our products, we can include them to the job. Use the drop-down list to find the product by name, code, barcode, or serial number. The system will show you the number of products in the stock overall. If you have different locations, you can decide if you want to search in all of them. If you have one location but different warehouses, when clicking on the product, you will choose which warehouse to take it from. If you don't have the needed product in the stock, you can change the status to Waiting for parts, add the product without the deduction, and wait until they are available. The job will be seen in a separate filter. When we receive products, we can add them to the job. All actions connected to jobs are also visible in an event feed on the right side. You can monitor all activity here. For example, if someone deletes a service or changes the price of the product, we will be able to see who did it and when. After we've changed the status to Done, the client will receive a notification about the completed job and its price. When the client is ready to pay, we change the status to Closed. Now we need to add the payment method. It can be cash or cashless payment, or we can also process payment based on the balance. Additionally, here we can select which document to print after closing the order, for example, warranty card. The order is now closed and the selected document will be printed.